Alrighty, we're on to number 32 in the 2012 Algebra 2 exam for the Pacific High School Math Competition. Number 32 is as follows. In the following equation, x and y are positive integers for which 2 to the x times 3 to the y is 1296. What is the value of x plus y? Okay, so what this statement is telling us right here, this 2 to the x times 3 to the y, it's telling us that the number 1296 or 1296 can be broken down into when you find the prime factors of that of 1296, it's you'll only be getting 2 and 3. There won't be a 7, an 11, a 13. It's just 2 and 3. So what we need to do is find the prime factors of 1296. Let me write bigger. 1296. Alright, so here we have, let's just divide by 2 until we get an odd number. This is 648. Divide by 2, that's 324. 324. Divide by 2, that's 150 plus 12, 162. Go down a bit more. 81, and that's 9 times 9, or 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, so how many 2's do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 to the 4th times 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 to the 4th. Whoops, let me just write equals 1296 just for continuity, and then x and y are equal to 4, so x plus y equals 8, which is our final answer, and that's answer choice A. I hope you found that more straightforward.